Investing doesn't have to be complicated or intimidating. In this video, we'll break down the easiest ways to start investing, even if you're scared to take the first step. From beginner-friendly apps to index funds that grow your money over time, you'll see how simple it can be to get started. Be sure to like this video and subscribe for more straightforward money advice. For many people, the word investing triggers anxiety. Images of chaotic stock market tickers, complex financial jargon, or stories of people losing fortunes in market crashes can make the idea of investing feel intimidating. Yet, avoiding investing altogether often means missing out on the single most powerful wealth-building tool available. The good news is that investing doesn't have to be complicated or scary. With beginner-friendly apps, simple strategies like index funds, and a step-by-step approach, anyone can get started, even if you've never invested a dollar before. Let's count down from 10 to 1 to demystify investing and show you how simple it really is. Point 10. Understanding why investing matters in the first place. Before diving into apps or funds, you must understand why investing is essential. Simply keeping your money in a savings account doesn't allow it to grow. Inflation eats away at your purchasing power every year, meaning the $1,000 you have today may only buy $950 worth of goods in 5 years. Investing, however, allows your money to grow faster than inflation. By putting your money into assets like stocks, bonds, or funds, you give it the chance to compound over time. Compounding means your money earns returns, and then those returns start earning returns of their own. This snowball effect is what turns small contributions today into significant wealth in the future. Point 9. Realizing that you don't need to be rich to begin. One of the biggest myths about investing is that it's only for the wealthy. Decades ago, investing may have required large sums of money, but today, many apps and brokerages allow you to get started with as little as $5 or $10. Fractional shares mean you can own a piece of a big company like Apple or Google without needing hundreds of dollars upfront. Index funds also allow you to invest small amounts across a wide range of companies at once. This accessibility means that anyone, regardless of income level, can begin building wealth through investing. Point 8. Overcoming fear by starting small. Fear is the #1 barrier that holds beginners back. People worry about losing everything or making mistakes. The solution is simple: start small. You don't need to throw your entire savings into the market on day one. Instead, begin with a small, manageable amount that you wouldn't stress over losing. This could be $20 or $50 a month. As you watch your account grow and become familiar with how investing works, your confidence will increase. The experience itself is often the best teacher, and starting small removes the pressure while building valuable habits. Point 7. Choosing the right platform. Beginner-friendly investing apps. Today, technology has made investing easier than ever. Apps like Robinhood, Webull, Acorns, Stash, Fidelity, and Vanguard allow beginners to invest with just a few taps on their phone. Many of these apps provide automated investing, educational tools, and low fees. For example, Acorns rounds up your daily purchases and invests the spare change, while Fidelity offers commission-free trading and access to low-cost index funds. By choosing an app that matches your style, whether you want hands-off automation or more control, you can eliminate much of the fear and confusion that used to come with investing. Point 6. Understanding index funds and why they're beginner-friendly. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the idea of picking the right stock, here's the secret: you don't have to. Index funds are one of the easiest, safest ways for beginners to invest. An index fund is a collection of many stocks bundled together to mirror a specific market index, like the S&P 500. Instead of betting on one company's success, you're investing in the overall market. Historically, the S&P 500 has returned about 7 to 10% annually over the long term, making index funds one of the most reliable wealth-building tools. They also carry low fees, are easy to understand, and require no constant monitoring, making them perfect for those just starting out. Point 5. Automating your investments through dollar-cost averaging. Another way to reduce fear is to remove the stress of timing the market. Trying to guess the best time to buy or sell is risky. Even experts struggle with it. Instead, beginners can use a strategy called dollar-cost averaging. This simply means investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, such as $100 every month. By doing so, you buy more shares when prices are low and fewer when prices are high, averaging out your cost over time. Most investing apps allow you to set up automatic deposits, so you don't even have to think about it. This habit creates consistency and reduces emotional decision-making. Point 4. Learning the basics of risk and diversification. All investing involves risk, but risk doesn't mean guaranteed loss. It simply means fluctuation. The value of your investments will go up and down, sometimes daily, but over time, markets historically trend upward. The best way to manage risk is diversification, which means spreading your money across different investments instead of putting it all in one place. Index funds already provide diversification by holding many stocks, but you can also diversify further by mixing in bonds or international funds. Understanding that short-term ups and downs are normal helps you stay calm and focused on the long-term growth that investing provides. Point 3. Building confidence through education and experience. The more you understand investing, the less intimidating it feels. Beginners should take advantage of free resources, YouTube videos, blogs, podcasts, and even the educational tools built into most investing apps. As you learn terms like compound interest, dividends, or asset allocation, the mystery begins to fade. More importantly, experience builds confidence. The act of making your first investment, even if it's just $20 in an index fund, creates a sense of empowerment. Each month you contribute, you'll see your account grow and gain first-hand understanding of how investing really works. Point 2. Creating an investment plan that matches your goals. Before diving in too deep, think about what you're investing for. Is it retirement, buying a home, financial independence, or just building general wealth? Your goals will shape how you invest. For long-term goals like retirement, index funds and dollar-cost averaging are ideal. For shorter-term goals, you might want safer investments like bonds. Having a plan keeps you grounded, especially when markets fluctuate. Beginners often panic and sell when the market dips, but if you have a clear long-term plan, you'll know to stay invested and ride out the storm. Point 1. Taking the first step and staying consistent. The single most important thing you can do as a beginner is to simply start. Waiting for the perfect time or trying to understand everything before you begin often leads to years of missed opportunities. Investing is like planting a tree. The best time to start was yesterday, and the next best time is today. Begin with a small contribution, choose a beginner-friendly app, and invest in an index fund. From there, the key is consistency. Keep investing regularly, don't panic during market swings, and remember that wealth builds gradually. Over time, your money will grow, your confidence will strengthen, and the fear that once held you back will disappear. Getting started is the hardest part, but once you take that first step, investing becomes much less scary. Whether you use an app or stick with index funds, you'll be building wealth for your future. If this video gave you clarity, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more beginner-friendly investing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.